I freshly washed the chicken, and it's very important. Make sure you wash the chicken. It's very important. You know, it's important to wash your vegetables. It's even more important to wash chicken. So I washed this, and what we're going to do is we're going to take each piece. We're going to cut them into about 3/4 inch pieces. So just like that. And we'll just throw them in the bowl. And just like so. And we're just going to do this with the chicken. We need about 1 pound of this chicken. I'm going to put the rest of this chicken away and use it for something else. So we're just going to keep cutting it. And I already trimmed some of the fat off of it. So I did that already. So make sure you do that also. And these are about the size of the pieces that we're going to use in our sesame chicken. And it's about 3/4 inch. So let's cut a couple more here. It's going to take a little more cutting. See, this is definitely, right here is definitely the perfect size. And if you notice also, I'm using a different cutting board than I usually do. Usually when I cut up my vegetables, like when I was dicing the garlic, I was using a wooden cutting board. Well, I don't like to use the same cutting board for meat as I do with my vegetables. So, and I definitely don't want to use a wooden cutting board when I'm cutting like chicken or meat. I use a plastic cutting board because the plastic cutting board isn't as porous as the wooden cutting board, and so it's not going to, you know, the juice isn't going to seep in. And so just make sure, you know, you have separate cutting boards for the different types of food you're going to be cutting. Okay, and these are the perfect sizes the perfect sizes of chicken that we're going to use in our sesame chicken. So I'm going to finish cutting these up, and I will see you on the next step.